So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a checkout for Turo when you put your vehicles on Turo. So today my renter, they brought the truck back today at 1 o'clock. So I'm just going to do a walk around, show you guys what I do for checkout. So first you just do a complete walk around, see if there's any additional damage. You took pre-trip photos, so you compare your pictures to that to see if any new damage occurred while your renter had the vehicle. If not, then you don't really need to take no additional photos or anything like that. So far it don't really look like no new damage occurred or anything like that. Customer took real good care of it that I'm seeing. You gotta be real thorough about all this stuff in detail and document everything if anything did occur, so you could get that on the back end from Turo. So the more photos you have is pretty much gonna be good for you in the end, because Turo, they all about photos and what you could prove to them before they want to pay you out any money for your claims. So you want to check under the hood also, make sure, because you never know what people's intentions are while they have your vehicle. They may try to take some stuff out your car and put it into their car, so you just got to inspect everything really. Make sure everything's topped off and good to go. So really you're just looking at everything, make sure everything's good to go. No new damage is good. That's good on your end and the customer's end. You want to check the inside also, make sure no rips is in the seat belts or anything like that. The carpet is still good and intact, not too dirty or anything like that. So when you rent it out again, everything's good for your next customer. You want to check the miles and fuel and everything. So if your fuel is brought back full, you good. If it's not brought back full, you could charge them a fee on there for not bringing it back. Also, you want to document how many miles before and after the trip. So when you bring it back, when they bring it back, if they went over the miles that you allowed, then you'll get extra payment off that as well. You want to check for any new curb rashes or anything like that. Just pretty much make sure your customers is safe every time they rent it out. So that's pretty much what I normally do for my walk-arounds to ensure my vehicle is good for the next customer and to make sure there's no new damages that occurred to the truck while it's been rented.